Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Chrome is updated. This avoids extension conflicts. Open the image in a new tab or launch the web app you plan to use. Install the chosen background removal extension if not already installed, and grant only necessary permissions. Once done, drag the image into the tool or click Upload. Make sure the file is a common format like JPG or PNG. You're now positioned to run an automatic cutout or begin manual masking. So you should apply the automatic background removal option first because it saves time and handles most of the work. Once the auto pass finishes, switch to the Refine or Brush tool to clean hair strands, gaps, and halos. Adjust tolerance and feather to smooth transitions. Use the eraser lightly on stray pixels, while the Restore brush brings back clipped details. Make sure to zoom in for fine areas. Use keyboard shortcuts to speed up corrections and preview on different backgrounds as you go. Once satisfied, export the image as a PNG with transparency. If you need layers, choose a layered export. Test the result by placing it over dark and light backgrounds to check for halos or missing pixels. If you see edge artifacts, reopen the editor, lower the tolerance, rerun removal, and refine manually. If the extension fails, clear cache, disable conflicting extensions, or use an alternate web app in Chrome. Remember, consistent lighting and contrast in the source image yield the best automatic results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.